Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lisbon, the gorgeous capital of Portugal. We just cannot get enough of this amazing city, including its classic and famous yellow trams that climb up and down the steep hills. Just like Rome and Italy, Lisbon is built on 7 hills, and there's a variety of innovative and old public transportation methods to get up and down those hills. One of them is this Elevador da Justa, which was opened in 1902 and was unfortunately closed during the COVID-19 pandemic. Another method is to ride the trams. The trams in Lisbon are the world's steepest adhesion railway, meaning that they use no outside help to climb up and down these hills, other than just their steel wheels on the steel rails. We are taking Route 24, which is the least used tram route in Lisbon. We have a video about the famous Lisbon tram, also known as the Elétrico, including the famous Route 28. Make sure to click in the link above.
So we wanted to ride the Elevador da Justa, but that one was out of service, so we are going to ride the Ascensor da Glória. By the way, if you're up in this area, one of the most beautiful lookouts over all of Lisbon. Definitely recommend.
Although the name might not include the words In Excelsis Deo, I still thought the Elevador da Glória would be a fun video to do around Christmas time.
We use our curries. The cable is under the street.
The line is one of 3 funiculars in Lisbon, although the Elevador da Glória is pretty unique when it comes to funiculars around the world because instead of the cable pulling it up, the cable just serves as a way to balance out the 2 trains, and they actually use their own electric motors to go up the hill. The line was opened in 1885, converted to electric in 1912. It is 265 meters long, going up 44 meters, meaning that it's a gradient of 17%.
The whole ride should take about a minute and a half.
The tickets we used today were our Viva Viagem day passes, which are also valid on trams, the bus, and the subway. Definitely a good idea because a single ride fare on the Elevador da Glória would be $2.90 without one. Somewhere over here we cross over the Rocio Tunnel, carrying commuter trains towards Sintra. The bottom terminus of the funicular is in the Restauradores district. If you're hungry, there's a great place to get one of Lisbon's most famous delicacies, Pasteis de Nata. Ooh, how we love these. Restauradores offers a connection to the Lisbon Metro. Coming up, we've got more holiday festivities. When we go to Chicago to ride the CTA holiday train, there's also more videos from Portugal coming. We're going to ride on the Porto Metro in the city of Porto, and we're taking a CP Intercity back from Porto to Lisbon. So make sure to subscribe to Trains Are Awesome so you don't miss it.